everybody. I'm Nick from Building Indiana, and today I'm here with Gretchen Castro. She is a director with CLH CPAs and Consultants. They are based out of Michigan City, and Gretchen is also a member of the Indiana CPA Society's Leadership Council. And we had some important accounting questions today. As everybody knows, as every business owner knows, right now we're kind of in a time of big time uncertainty. We still have a lot of talk going around with inflation, a lot of talk about labor issues and supply chain issues. So we had some questions for Gretchen. Thanks for being here with us today.
Yes.
So for business leaders that want to grow their companies, what are some of the top questions they should be asking their accountants right now?
Well, I think one thing with talking with your accountant is to find what needs you actually are needing from your accountant or any other trusted advisors. We actually offer a lot of different services and are able to help in those different ways. We offer consulting, working with payroll, working with general ledger activity, doing financials, doing tax returns. So honestly, finding what you need and what help you need is probably the best thing that your accountant can help you with, and find exactly where you fit into what they can offer you or where they can get you additional information to help you with that.
Okay. So cash flow right now is a huge topic for all companies. What are some of the smart ways for business leaders to manage cash flow in today's business climate?
Planning is probably the most important thing. Make sure that you have budgeted out the next year to 5 years to make sure that you know where that money could come from, just in case we ever got back to the pandemic scariness that happened. But we want to make sure that you either have a bank of cash that you can use, you have some type of lending that can help you through some tough times. But the budgeting and making sure where that money can come from is probably the most important thing for all businesses right now.
Okay. So it's all about contingency planning and backup planning and building that little treasury in case we get hit with anything.
Exactly.
Okay. So yeah, then on that note, as we enter 2023, because we're getting close to the end of the year here, where should our priorities be?
Always looking toward the future and making sure that, the next year and even beyond that is something that you're thinking about and not just thinking about the next day. That's important also. But you want to make sure that, your budgeting process is working, that you have good people working with you to help you out. We do a lot of projections for clients. So that's something that we really help with, and making sure they're knowing what their tax is, what their next year's, income or revenue may be, just to make sure that they're sound mind, and making sure that they have those trusted advisors there to help them with that. We know that they can't do it on their own. We know that they need someone in that field to help them work through all of that.
Okay. A little bit of expertise is what's needed, I guess.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thank you, Gretchen. She's a director with CLH CPAs and Consultants.
Yep.
We really appreciate your knowledge and being here with us today. Thanks so
Thank
much.
you, Nick. It was fun. Thank you.
Right on.